Hello guys, welcome again. In this video I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock Facebook profile. Now look, this profile is unlocked, we can see. Now let's lock this profile. First open in three line here in the top corner. Here we have setting and privacy. Click here. Here we have also setting. Click here. Come down. Here we have profile locking. Look here. In this page we can lock Facebook profile. Click here. Lock your profile. Click lock your profile. Okay. Now you can search from other Facebook account. Search here. Look, we lock this account. Now we can see profile picture, and also we can't get a screenshot. Look, here we get a security policy. We can get a screenshot also. Now I want to unlock this profile picture. For unlocking, again click here. Now go to setting and privacy. Again setting. Come down. Click on profile locking. Here we have unlock. Click here. Click unlock your profile. Again, okay. Click here. Now check your profile. Go to other account. Now we check from other account. Look, we can see profile picture. Guys, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye now.